Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and I welcome you to the YouTube channel of Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for competitive exams preparations. IAS is the most coveted job profile in this country, and if you aspire for this profile, then you have come at the right place. Stay tuned with us till the end. In this video, we will give you a detailed description of the expected and important topics for UPSC Prelims 2020. These topics have a very high probability of being asked in this year's prelims. Hence, it is important for you to cover these topics before appearing for UPSC Prelims 2020. Let us start these topics without wasting any more time.
Topic 1. The G4 nations. It is a group of countries that includes Brazil, Germany, India and Japan. These are 4 countries which support each other's bids for permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council. Topic 2. The G7 countries. The group of 7 countries or the G7 is an international intergovernmental economic organization consisting of the 7 largest IMF described advanced economies in the world. They are Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan and the UK and the USA. The European Union is an invitee to G7. India is not a part of the group. Topic 3. G20. The group of 20 or G20 is the premier forum for its members' international economic cooperation and decision making. Its membership comprises 19 countries plus the European Union. India is a member of this group. The G20 started in 1999 as a meeting of finance ministers and the central bank governors in the aftermath of the Asian financial crisis. Topic number 4. Plea bargaining. It refers to a person charged with a criminal offense negotiating with the prosecution for lesser punishment than what is provided in law by pleading guilty to a less serious offense. It primarily involves partial negotiations between the accused and the prosecutor. It may involve bargaining on the charge or in the quantum of sentence. Topic 5. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation or SAARC. SAARC was established with the signing of the SAARC Charter in Dhaka, Bangladesh on 8th of December 1985. 8 member states of SAARC are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Its secretariat is in Kathmandu, Nepal. The objective of SAARC is to promote the welfare of the people of South Asia and to improve their quality of life and to accelerate economic growth among other things. Topic 6. Operation Vijay. The operation was launched by the Indian Army twice in Indian history. The first Operation Vijay was launched in 1961 that led to the capture of Goa, Anje Diva and Daman and Diu. The second operation was launched in 1999. Both the operations were a huge success. However, the Kargil Vijay Divas is marked on the culmination of Kargil War. Topic 7. Operation White Sea. The Operation White Sea was also launched during Kargil War 1999. During the operation, Indian Air Force jointly acted with the Indian Army to flush out regular and irregular troops of the Pakistani Army. Topic 8. Rule of Law Index. It is released by World Justice Project, which is an independent organization. It is a quantitative assessment tool designed to offer a detailed and comprehensive picture of the extent to which countries adhere to the rule of law in practice. It measures countries' rule of law performance across 8 factors. They are constraints on government powers, absence of corruption, open government, fundamental rights, order and security, regulatory enforcement, civil justice and criminal justice. Topic 9. International Labour Organization. International Labour Organization was created in 1919 as a part of the Treaty of Versailles that ended World War I. It was formed to reflect the belief that universal and lasting peace can be accomplished only if it is based on social justice. It has a total of 187 member nations, including India, which is also a founding member. It is a specialized agency of the newly formed United Nations. It is the only organization of the UN having tripartite governing structure representing workers, employers and government. It sets labor standards develops policies and devises programs promoting decent work for all women and men. Topic number 10. Contempt of Courts. As per the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, contempt refers to the offence of showing disrespect to the dignity or authority of a court. The Act divides contempt into civil and criminal contempt. Civil contempt is willful disobedience to any judgment, decree, direction, order, writ, or other processes of a court or willful breach of an undertaking given to the court. Criminal contempt is an act which may result in scandalizing the court by lowering its authority, interference in the due course of a judicial proceeding, and in obstruction of the administration of justice. Topic 11. Bachpan Bachao Andolan. It is India's largest movement campaign for the rights of children. It was started in 1980 by Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi. Its mission is to identify, release, rehabilitate, and educate children in servitude through prevention, direct intervention, mass mobilization, and legal action to create a child-friendly society. It functions as a non-government organization and has centered its focus on ending bonded labor, child labor, and human trafficking, and as well as demanding the right to education for all children.
Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.